Oh, good morning, y'all. It is March 8th. Tango and I are heading out to the high tunnel greenhouse, check on our seedlings, and then also do a little bit of work. Got my drill with a small hole saw on here. It is mucky out here, we'll tell you that. We've been getting some rain and expecting some more. So pond's looking good. We'll take a look at that a little closer a little later. I'm excited. I've scheduled to have the pond stocked next week. All right, let me let up this door and we'll get started. Y'all, Tango was such a good boy just now. So he got distracted and tried to run across to our neighbors because we saw another dog over there, but he did excellent recall when I called him back. So let's check on these seedlings. Good boy, Tango. See if I can get him. There we go. It's a difficult position there. But let's check Tango, let's check our seedlings. Let's see what we got. We've got clear germination in this melon. We've got an artichoke here. Large red cherry tomatoes. Tomatillo here. And some of these I put more than one seed in. We've got these sweet 100s germinating. So our maters are germinating really good. We've got our cucumbers germinating. Really nice rates of germination here. Oh yeah, we got one coming right there. That's a cucumber. Okay. Roma tomatoes, beefsteak tomatoes. Ground cherries. Got peppers coming up. These paprika. I think I'm starting to see some serrano in here, poblano and serrano. We've got jalapeno. Oh, I see one pepper rossini. Maybe another one here. So different peppers. Herbs are happening. All right, those are looking good. So far, nothing on the ones that I brought over from the house. So we'll see. And I came here to get a little bit of irrigation work done today as well. So we came through and planted some lettuce because I think we still have just a little bit of cool weather in the nights left over. And since these were seedlings that we got from the feed store, we thought we'd be able to get some harvest in them. Our tree collards have really bounced back, looking really tall and strong in here. And then I see some of our pepper transplants just aren't gonna make it. So over in here, I don't think this one's gonna make it. That one doesn't look like it's gonna make it, neither do those. But this one is a serrano, and it's looking pretty good. All right, we switched to a paddle drill bit to finish this out. Watch out, puppy. There we go. That makes better work of it. So I'm just gonna feed this line through. Perfect fit. And close enough so I know that it'll connect to this line. Huh. We just no, no, Tango, no. Tango, move. No. 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 Where's your toy? No. Go get your toy. Come on, let's get your toy. You're getting nippy. Here we go. Here we go. Punch a hole in this main line to connect this vertical tubing to it. So, button, but maybe you don't push the button. Twist, twist, twist. There we go. All right, heard that pop. Okay, that's to get the piece out. So then I've got, sit down right here. This is a shut-off valve, on and off valve for this. So this piece goes into the hole I just made. That pops in nicely. And this piece goes into this end here. Fits on there, and then this twists down on here. All right, so I think that does it with that one. Whew. I've got all my connectors from this 3/4 inch main line to these vertical sub lines here, and now we're going to test it out. I have not punched any of the holes for the sprinkler or watering implements in the beds, so it's unpunctured. Water should run out of all 4 ends once I cut it on. And then I want to test cutting each one out on and off. I do hope that's a tight seal there. I don't want any leakage here, so that's what I'm going to check for. Okay, turning the water on here. Turning the water on here. Let's see what we got. Nothing's coming out of here. Nothing's coming out of here. I do hear water flowing. I hear water. Where do I hear water? Okay. Make sure we don't have any leaks. No leak in that end cap. Okay, I'm seeing water flowing. Water is flowing out of this one. Water's flowing out of this one. Okay. Water's flowing out of this one. And water's flowing out of this one. Yes. So it's working. And I'm not seeing any leaks here. So if I shut these off, this should shut off the water there. This should shut off the water. Let's make sure. So all the water should be shut off in those valves. They are shut off. Great. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the end caps on the ends of these because we don't want water shooting out the back of them. But so far so good. All right, so the end cap pieces are, let's get these open. These right here, and they just go on the ends of the tube to prevent water from shooting out the ends. And then I'll connect the different implements that'll deliver water in the beds from this tube. And those look like they're different types of kind of sprinkler heads, and each color represents how much water it lets out. So this is a flow rate of 1/2 gallon per hour in these. And this is also 1/2 gallon per hour. And these black ones are, so this one shoots it out. It's adjustable in 360 degrees. So they're different types. But for now, I'm just going to get these end caps put on there. And I'm also going to add the timer to the system. Right now I don't have it set for anything. And then that'll be enough for today. Alright, so here's our setup. I've got the auto watering connected here. Finally figured it out, tested it out. It's working great. I've got all of our tubes, all of our lines coming down each of our beds here, connected to the main header line. Tested it out. We don't have any leaks. I've put end caps at the end of each of these tubes so we don't have any water flowing here. And the only thing left to do is to now go down the tube line and place the watering heads where I want them in the beds. And also this tube line here, it's going to have another micro tube line, a 1/4 inch, going into each of the pots here. So that will complete the irrigation, the final stage of it. So I'm super excited about that.